estates in the city in phase 1, and we're going to do another set of them in the coming few months. This is just one of them. We have Pangani down the road. We have Ziwani, Bahati, Kariobangi, Woodley, where you have seen the work that is going on, and many others. And so for today, I've come to see the progress on the site. I want to thank the developers. I want by December to hand over keys. December this year, that we can hand over keys to the citizens who have signed up for these houses.
We are sharing experiences, values, and what happened in Nairobi with this program for people, for families, for children, for affordable housing is very important. You know, everywhere in Europe, in Africa, everywhere we are looking the mayor, how we can give better condition for the families and the people. And it is what you are doing here.
Riboti yo ni atukinyithiria ihinda ritu ria kwamba guikirio ro ringi mwiroreri wa Kameme TV niguo tugicokereria tugukorwo tugikumenyithia na kwi iharo-ini uria guikaire ndugathengie mutambo.
Thirikari ya Murang'a County itogoretio ni Governor Irungu Kang'ata ni marakurehera kigomano kinene kia biashara nikio Murang'a Investment Conference. Kigomano giki gikahanika kuria Thika Greens Golf Resort tariki 13 na tariki 14 mweri wa June. Kiria kirakuhe mweke wa gucemania na network na investors agi na kuyonera mieke ere kuwa ya wonjoria thini wa Murang'a County. Mieke ta County Industrial and Aggregation Park kuria Kafati, SMEs Park, Export Processing Zone kuria wena mweke wa agro processing na mage maige. Kuyandikithia ta delegate hihinya *267*21# orege hihinya *267*21#. Namarihi no shiringi 10,000. Murang'a Investment Conference 2025, unlocking Murang'a as an industrial hub.
Usife moyo, weka matumaini yako hai. Ipo siku maombi yako yatatimia. Ipo siku neema itashuka maishani mwako. Zidi kuweka matumaini yako hai. Kwegwatira skiza tune tumaini hihinya *811 *48# wegwatira skiza tune tumaini thimwe-ini yaku mothe *811 *48#.
Hatakiri undu ta nganja rugambirwo ni rwa kumenyithia riu twi mwena uria ungi ni undu wa ciegie mathako kana twamukira riboti ciegie mathako na ateng'eri a Kenya mari na mwihoko wa gukaneka wega rucio mahenya-ini ma Kipkeino Classic kiharo-ini kia Ulinzi Complex guku Nairobi. Ateng'eri aya magitongorio ni njorua ya gitaro kia Africa ihenya-ini ria mita 100 Ferdinand Omanyala makagwa kiharo-ini gwetha uhotani mahenya-ini matiganite.
Tomorrow, I mean, you guys understand that we have a very long season here, and we are getting into September in Tokyo. So the biggest thing for me for the last couple of races, including this one and the next one, is just to get into that rhythm. You know, I took 7 months off from competing, so it's all about just getting into that rhythm. And last week in Rabat showed that my start is back, and now getting into together tomorrow for the Kipkeino Classic. And I'm just praying for a perfect race tomorrow.
Tunakubali pia kuna